The movie begins with Vani, who is about to have a court marriage today and she is waiting for her fiancé Mahesh. But then she receives a call from Mahesh and he tells her that he is shifting to another country. He also tells her that he can't marry her because he has fallen in love with someone else. After hearing this, Vani is completely heartbroken. The story then jumps 6 months ahead and we see Vani still unable to forget what happened, although her family is trying hard to cheer her up. Later, Vani's father drops her off for a job interview. Here we learn that Vani always forgets small things. While doing something there, she forgets her diary. Vani had a great interest in writing songs, and she goes inside the office and gives the interview, and she gets the job. When Vani comes outside, she meets Krish, who has her diary. Krish returns her diary and then goes inside and starts beating up an employee because Krish is a singer and that guy wrote a very bad review of Krish's song. Actually, it's a critic's office. Krish beats the guy and leaves, but before leaving he tells Vani that she writes really well. Later, Krish also has a fight with his friends because he was the singer in their group and he believed that his name should come first. This leads to an argument and everyone leaves him except one friend who tells Krish they have received the collaboration offer. It's with a very big singer and it could be a huge opportunity. Krish agrees and goes to meet that singer. But the singer was expecting something different. At that moment, Krish sees Vani, who had come there for a job. Seeing her, Krish tells the singer that he will bring a unique song for him. The singer agrees. Krishnan tells Vani to write a song. Actually, Vani had already written a bit, and Krish sings that part in front of everyone. Everyone likes it a lot, and so Krish asks Vani to complete the song quickly as the singer has given him very limited time. Krish takes Vani to a studio and tells her to write the lyrics, but Vani can't think of anything. Hearing this, Krish gets angry and Vani says how can she write a song sitting in a studio? She says she can't think properly there and needs to try something different to be able to write. Krish understands her and he takes her out and they start spending a lot of time together. Meanwhile, Vani starts writing her song and soon it gets completed. Krish sings the song and plays it for the singer. But the singer says it also needs some rap because it's too simple. Hearing this, Krish says he'll add rap too. Vani is shocked to hear this because they both had worked so hard on the song and Krish agreed to change it just because the singer said so. Krish says he only cares about money. This angers Vani and she starts to leave. Just then the police arrive and start scolding Krish. Actually, Krish's father is a big alcoholic. Since Krish's mother passed away, his father started drinking heavily and caused problems every day, leading to police involvement. The police warn Krish to control his father. Krish is very frustrated with his father's behavior, so he gives him a lot of money and tells him to go drink somewhere else. Seeing Krish so angry, Vani tries to console him. She tells Krish that she initially thought he was doing all this for money, but now she understands how big his problems are. She tells him that some time ago she was about to get married, but her boyfriend cancelled on the wedding day, and since then she hadn't been able to write. But when Krish came into her life, she started writing again. So she encourages him not to give up and to try his best to fulfill his dreams. Then Krish and Vani take his father to a rehab center. But the fees are very high, so Krish sells all the rights to the song in order to pay for the rehab. After that, Krish has no rights left to the song, which makes him very upset. Vani also had a deal with Krish for one song which is now completed. Krish realizes they may never meet again. Hearing this, Vani is also very upset. The next day they get tickets to that singer's concert and go together. There they both realize they like each other. They kiss and become intimate. Vani tells Krish that one day he will become a big rock star. Krish says everyone he meets ends up leaving him. He also had a fight with his friends and they left too. Hearing this, Vani asks whether it was them who fought or Krish. Krish realizes his mistake and goes back to his friends who are very happy to see him again. They start making music together again. Vani writes another song for them. Krish sings it and it gets very good views, making Krish quite famous. Meanwhile, Vani's family finds out about her relationship with Krish. Her mother becomes very worried because she believes that boys like Krish never marry and she doesn't want Vani to suffer again, like before. When Vani hears this, she faints. She's taken to the hospital but all reports are normal. The doctor suggests they take her to a neurosurgeon. Vani's mother tells Krish that if he really plans to marry Vani, only then should they stay in a relationship because she doesn't want Vani to go through heartbreak again. Hearing this, Krish tells Vani that they will get married. But Vani says Krish's career has just started and he still has a lot to achieve, so they shouldn't rush into marriage. Krish agrees with her.
Vani then goes to the neurosurgeon and they run tests. The doctor asks her to remember a date. But after some time, when asked again, Vani can't remember even today's date. The doctor runs more tests and finds out that Vani is gradually forgetting many things. The doctor tells her that she has Alzheimer's and that gradually she will forget everything, even her own identity. Vani is shocked and doesn't know what to do. The doctor advises her to tell her family the truth, but Vani doesn't want to trouble them. After this, when Vani is coming home, Krish comes to meet her. He's very disturbed. Krish was worried because Vani wasn't answering his calls. He tells Vani that their song has received a lot of views and finally he's becoming famous. He knows that if things keep going this way, one day he will become a rock star. After hearing this, Vani doesn't tell him anything because he was moving ahead in his career and she didn't want to stop him. Krish then tells Vani that he has to go to another city tomorrow for a concert. Hearing this, Vani is very happy for him. The next day when Vani goes to the office, she finds out that her new boss is none other than Mahesh. Seeing Mahesh there, she's completely shocked. Mahesh talks to her but Vani can't say anything. She didn't even know what to say. After this, she decides to quit her job. Then she tells Krish that she'll pack his bag. But Krish says they just packed their bags together a little while ago. Hearing this, Vani is once again shocked. Krish leaves but he senses something is wrong with Vani. Then we see Vani attending her office party where she meets Mahesh. Suddenly she starts asking him when they're getting married and says they should fix the wedding date soon. Hearing this, Mahesh is also shocked. Then Vani starts fighting with him, asking why he's ignoring her. Everyone around is shocked by this. Vani realizes she might have done something wrong, so she runs away immediately. But before leaving, she drops her bag which had her phone. On the plane, Krish calls Vani but her phone is with someone else, who tells Krish what happened. After hearing this, Krish cancels his concert and returns to the place. He checks Vani's bag and finds her reports. Seeing them, he understands why Vani has been behaving this way. Then Krish finds Vani sitting in a field. When she sees Krish returning, she realizes he knows everything. Vani feels terrible because she didn't want to be an obstacle in his career. But Krish tells her that her love is the most important thing for him. Vani's family also finds out everything. The doctor tells them that Vani should be taken to a peaceful place. But her mom and dad are both very busy, so Krish takes her with him. They enjoy a lot together and also compose new songs. Krish's friend tells him that he's really needed there, but Krish says they should all come there and do their concert there. His friends agree and come. Krish takes Vani to the concert, but as soon as he steps on stage, Vani sees Mahesh there. Actually, Mahesh was the sponsor of that event. Seeing Mahesh, Vani again goes back into the past and starts asking Mahesh when they're getting married, saying she's been waiting for him and loves him a lot. Mahesh had bad intentions toward Vani, so he takes her to his room and tells her they can always stay together, but he won't divorce his wife. Vani doesn't understand anything he's saying. Then Mahesh tries to get close to her, but Krish arrives and tries to take Vani away.
Vani doesn't recognize Krish and asks him to leave. Mahesh also tries to push Krish out. Seeing this, Krish becomes furious and beats Mahesh badly. Vani gets angry seeing this and points a knife at Krish, asking him to leave quietly. When Krish refuses, she stabs him. Then she faints. Krish is shocked. When Vani regains consciousness, she doesn't remember anything she did. She asks Krish when his concert is. Krish tells her the concert is over. He then asks if she remembers their special moments. Vani says she remembers them very well and also knows that she loves him very much. She says, "I love you, Mahesh." Hearing this, Krish is shocked because Vani had even forgotten his name. Then Krish's friends call him because they're going to another place for a concert and want Krish to come. His friend tells him that Vani isn't his responsibility and asks how long will he keep sacrificing his career for her. But Krish says Vani understood him when he was nothing, so now he can't leave her. He tells his friends to go without him. When Krish returns to his room, Vani is not there. He searches for her everywhere, but there's no sign of her. Her parents also come and file a police complaint, but still there's no clue. Krish is very upset. Then he sees the last song Vani had written before leaving. She had said if any girl hears this song, she will return to her boyfriend. So Krish decides to sing and upload the song, hoping that when Vani hears it, she'll come back. Krish does exactly that and the song goes viral. After that, he starts getting great offers one after another and slowly becomes a big rock star. His fan following increases massively. But even after having everything, he still misses Vani. Because now he has everything except her. One day, Krish is looking at how many reels were made on his song. He sees a guy singing and behind him sits Vani. When he checks, he finds out that reel was from Manali.
So he immediately goes to Manali and finally meets Vani. The hostel lady tells Krish that when Vani came here, she was certain Krish would come for her someday. But she also knew that by then she might have forgotten everything, so she had written a letter for Krish. Krish reads the letter. Vani had written that she knew she did a lot wrong. When Krish went to drop his friends off, Vani saw in a video how she had fought with Mahesh and even stabbed Krish. Seeing that, she realized how much she was hurting him. She knew that if she stayed with Krish, he would never be able to grow because he would always be focused on her. That's why she left. Reading this, Krish becomes emotional. Then he meets Vani, but by then Vani had forgotten everything, even her name. Then Krish starts talking to her like he used to before. At first, Vani doesn't remember anything. But after spending some time together, she remembers that the person she is talking to is Krish Kapoor and that she loves him very much. Hearing this, Krish also becomes emotional. They kiss and then Krish brings Vani back home with him. And with this, the movie ends. So this was the story of Sayara. If you liked this story and my explanation, do like, comment and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video.